Today's lesson is going to be about quadratics. There are many different forms of quadratics. There is the standard form. Standard form. Which is ax squared plus bx plus c. That is the standard for any quadratic where c equals the y-intercept. Now, the vertex form is a times h, a times x minus h squared plus k, where the vertex equals h k. Now, when you're putting h and k down to the vertex, you are going to switch the signs so that h is positive or h is negative, and vice versa if your number is positive or negative. So now there is one last form, and it is called the factored form. Factored form, where x minus r1 times x minus r2, and the r's stand for roots. They can also be called zeros, x-intercepts, or the solutions. Now, when transforming a problem to vertex form, we will use a method called completing the square. When we're completing the square, the first step is to group the variables and we would divide b by 2, and we would square that number. And then we would add on the inside and subtract on the outside. Now, let me show you what we mean by that. Say we have a problem like, I don't know, x squared plus 3x minus 2. Say we want to put that in vertex form. Well, first we would group the variables. So, that being said, we will group x squared and 3x, leave a blank here, and add the 2 on the outside. And then you would divide this middle number by 2. And then you would square it. So, all in all, that gives you 9/4. So, positive 9/4. You have now added it on the inside. And now you will subtract on the outside. So you will subtract, let me rewrite this. Now you would add 9/4 to the outside. Now, or no, not add, you would subtract the outside, sorry. You would subtract 9/4 on the outside. And that will give you a total of x squared plus 3 halves squared, x plus 3 halves squared minus 17/4, and you would leave that last one as an improper fraction. Now, another way of solving a quadratic is through the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now you are solving for the roots. So, say you have negative 3, let me erase erase this really fast so we have more room. Say we have -3 plus or minus the square root of -3 squared minus 4 times 1 times 10. Say we have that problem. All over 2 times 1. Well, then we would simply solve it. And when we finish solving it, you would use the normal way of solving it, and you would end up with 3 plus or minus the square root of 49 over 2. So your final answer will be x is equal to 5 or x is equal to -2. So that is solving through the quadratic formula.